Hello there and good afternoon, guys. My name is Suratosin. Any insights for your good and Nasdaq this afternoon? Um, Tell Monday, Lagarde speaks by 6:30. Doesn't affect our trade. Euro. This one is a bit foreign. I tell him when I'm not willing to trade it, I'm still not willing to trade it. Although there are some interesting setups, but without this one. But if you want to trade it, the idea will be for a long hard. Looking at this region right now could hold and stop loss wise maybe to minimize it around this 5 pips or 5.7 pips and target the high here. This will be the idea I have if I'm going to take it at all. I'm going to be taking it with a relatively small size. That is the trade idea for Euro this afternoon. Let's see if we do get there. I just bump it for a little bit and wait for this one. I take it with little dot size, but just small at most. So good right now. I told us about this open at around 5 o'clock in the morning. We did tap on my alert at 40.68. I didn't exit my trade, but I just wait. It proved me wrong. I exited 80%. The rest at stop loss. Still, it was a good trade. Right now, I'm not even interested in buying it anymore. I'm just interested in shorting this asset. And currently, we have a range created by 10:45, which we just broke out of. We are trying to retest right now, and I'm just watching and waiting. I'm not so eager to short this one this afternoon, and not even right now. So, what am I waiting for? I'll wait for definitely I want to take the trade under this point right here. This is where we had support yesterday. Something resistance to build up right here. Where will my short come in exactly? I want to be shorting when the hourly just flip bearish. But I do doubt I will get that with this current 1 o'clock candle. Maybe the 2 o'clock candle will be better. Because I don't trust this market to just sell this off. My consolidate right now, I'm expecting that eventually we are going to sell it off. If we continue and keep above this, I'm just going to be watching. I'm not going to be willing to buy this afternoon, most likely. Except something shifts a lot, which I very much doubt. So the idea for trade on gold is a short, and I won't look to get in too early. I'm willing to enter late on this one, as I do believe we are going to reach this low, which is 14 points, and then try to get something of 7 points or less around that region. Or perhaps if the 1 o'clock candle does close very well, and we don't have this flip, this one are bearish, we're willing to get in somewhere around this point, which would be even better. And stop loss will be around VWAP here, around the 1 o'clock high. And I'm not expecting that we'll push above this 1 o'clock high. That would be a ratio to trade, which is even better. So this one is depending on how we turn out. I'm not certain yet. Let me just leave this here. So for Nasdaq right now, Nasdaq has fleet bullish short term, but the average is usually crazy. So right now we are at the previous day's open, and we could bleed this entire thing. But the teller would really be VWAP for me today. VWAP is going to play a key role in whether I'm going to be shorting or long in this asset. Whether I do believe I'm going to long, and the long really, I don't expect that we'll reach VWAP at session open. Start CH. If we do reach VWAP, the probability that we're going to go back to the previous high becomes a bit lower. So I'm expecting somewhere around this node here that will turn back. That will do retest somewhere around here, and then we'll continue going. I don't expect that we'll retest VWAP, but if we do retest VWAP, it must be a quick one, not a slow one. So a long is also in view here as well, and perhaps getting it early may even be a trick here. So something around this price point would be good. And using 100 points right now would be massive for this market, maybe around 70 or less would be ideal. So a long for Nasdaq as well. If we do flip, you are bearish, and we are bearish for a day. I'm going to look for us to reach VPOC at first, and VPOC will be where I'm going to be deciding whether I'm going to short or not, or it may just consolidate today. But mostly I do prefer the short side as we don't have the open gaping and whatnot. But mostly, uh, this is a long market anyway. Don't I will not confuse myself. So good luck and good trades, guys. Please be careful. Don't overtrade today. There is bank holiday in Italy. NFP release on Thursday. Bank holiday in US on Friday. So be very careful. Bye for now.